NocoDB versus Basecrow versus Airtable versus Supabase. So in this video, I will compare these no-code database platforms in 2025, and I will help you choose the right one. So make sure to like and subscribe. So first one is their ease of use. Airtable still leads in UI polish and ease of use, while Baserow and NocoDB are getting better, but still a step behind in intuitiveness. And Supabase requires coding knowledge, so it's not no code in the pure sense. Next is their flexibility and power. Supabase is the most powerful. It's a full Postgres backend with auth and storage, while NocoDB and Baserow are flexible for building internal tools, and Airtable is best for structured teams and lightweight workflows. Next is their open source and hosting. Supabase, NocoDB, and Baserow are all open source and self-hostable, while Airtable is not open source and it can get expensive with scale. Next is their community and ecosystem. Supabase has a strong dev community, while NocoDB and Baserow are going fast. And then, Airtable has a mature third-party ecosystem, but limits power users with pricing tiers. So for final verdict, if you are a developer that needs full backend control, you can go with Supabase. For business teams that want ease and collaboration, you can go for Airtable. For open source, no-code tools, both Baserow and NocoDB are solid picks. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.